And we're here for another Let's Play It session. All right. So today we're gonna finish what we started. What a mess. All right. So if you watched our first episode, we inherited this crappy farm from a creepy guy who wanted me to come to his house, and under the notion that he just wanted me to do some work. But I did get something cool. And the cool thing I got was I got an old Jack Bear tractor, which was pretty nifty. I decided this time around, I have played this game before, so we're kind of like doing a ultimate challenge here. I didn't fix anything in the tutorial. Hey, look, somebody get me a gun. There's bacon. But I think I can I have an unlimited supply of metal here. So what we're going to try and do is fix the things we can fix with the supplies we've been given. When I spoke with Peter, he gave me some suggestions on that I could do some jobs for some other people and probably get the other equipment I need. He seemed to be under the impression that I have an old cultivator on the property. And it's been so long since I started this, I don't even remember if I have an old cultivator. But let's just get some of this stuff out of the way. Don't need it here. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Well, there's an old lawnmower or some old mower, so that's there. And I think yeah, here we go. We got a little weed eater off here. 50-gallon drums of lime, just in case I kill somebody. Let's see what's going on over here. Pretty much don't even have to open the door. It's so messed up. It's not a lot going on. We're gonna do some basic repairs to our to this building for our cows. And I think the fastest way we're going to get some money is if we fix, and I don't know if I can, if I have enough resources, but we need to fix this first. So in order to get the resources, we need to fix this so we can get the hens, the chicken, because they produce eggs every day, and eggs are good money. And we're still on day one. I'm not going to worry about cleaning the property. I don't have to worry about fixing the house right now. What I need to worry about is getting the other things that I'm going to need in order to harvest this lovely gold mine. Because that right there, see, that's 0.89 acres, 100% wheat. So there's some things I can do to, and that's, what is that? Canola. Okay, so we got wheat and canola. It's been so long since I started. Oh, hey, I almost tripped over it. Found my cultivator. Okay, it's right there in amongst all the weeds. So if I can figure out where I stuck the Jack Bear tractor, we'll see if we can make some progress on this today. Day one. You think Grandpa could have taken a little better care of the place to start with. But we got a full tank of gas. And we got some tasks we can do. Okay, so you notice a lady from her farm, lady by her farm, perhaps it would be nice to say hello. Well, if there was ever a hint, that was the hint. So let's make sure it don't turn up too loud. Oh, that's loud. All right, we're going to turn that down. Chugga chugga. I probably could have ran over there. Woo. I am operating off a keyboard, and I don't have a steering wheel, so the jerky steering is because of that. See if we can cruise over here real quick and say hello to our neighbor. What's nice about this, it's been so long since I started this game. I'm really kind of thinking, how much money can I make in the first month? You know, can I make enough money to really take off in this first season and get ahead of where I was the first time I played the game? So I'm just cruising on over here. It's all right. You laugh at me. I'm cruising, buddy. You, see? They were impressed. They slowed down. All right, let's see. Let's see. Where'd she go? She's right here somewhere. Up. Oh, there's a guy. Okay, so Tony over there has a job for me. But I think they were suggesting I could talk to this person here. Huh. Ooh. Well, you're going to make it that personal. But he's still busy. Okay.
I need one of my fields plowed and cultivated. Will you do it for me, please?
Plowed?
What's that old plow over there by the barn?
What? You got a plow? You got a plow? Sweet. She's got a plow. There's a plow. Well, I just happen to have a tractor. Let's see what happens. There we go. Oh, man. Didn't see that coming. Oh, wow. Yeah, she wasn't kidding. I forgot. Yeah, I debated whether or not I actually even wanted to try and start over because I hated this plow. Got it. All right, let's see. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, we're going over here. Oh, shoot. It's right there. Now, this isn't one of those universal plows where it rotate and go left and right and all that stuff. I'm going to back out so I don't hear all that noise. I'm going to turn the volume down maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this. We'll speed this up so you don't have to endure this part of it. Hopefully I can fly this thing fairly quickly. All right. And there you go. That's a plowed field. Let's see what time it is. I plowed 99% of it. Burned some fuel, but now I've got to go get my cultivator which they just kind of tipped me off. Told me it was in front of my own barn, which I already knew. But watch out for the tree. I can't see. So we're gonna. I guess we'll go ahead and just take her plow because I think she's gonna give it to us as payment for doing all this glorious work. Excuse me. I'm gonna do like most tractors and just piss everybody off, drive down the middle of the street. Look at that. Causing traffic. So I think we can cut through here. Yeah, we'll just cut through here. Man, I can't wait to harvest all that stuff and get paid. But we got a little ways to go. We've got some things we're gonna have to get. Hey, we need a harvester. We need a wagon. I mean, just a lot of different things. So let's just drop this off here. And we're gonna cruise around here and see if we can pick up this guy without destroying any crops. Nope. There we go. Got it. Nice job. All right, go back to Clara's and cultivate the field. All right. Well, while I'm at it, I can mow some of my yard. Look at this. I find that the cultivator makes a great lawnmower. But it's a really slow way to get there, so we're just wasting gas. Whew. Can't waste gas. That's bad. Man, I wish I had a gun. Look, there's a deer right over there. 2 of them. Well, we just pop a hole in that. I think we can cut through, right through the back door here. Ooh, look at that. You see all those apples? Well, I'm coming back for some apples. I didn't realize there was all those apples there. That's money right there. And food. Let's see. Alright, here we go. So we're going to time lapse again and see if we can... Oh, my head hurts. Hold on. I'm going to have to eat something. So, let's see. We get 10 nutrition for the apple. We got canned fish. That sounds tasty. Or condensed milk. Let's drink the condensed milk. Oh, that would be nasty. Condensed milk. I mean, just the thought of it. Okay. So this time we're going to just go in a big circle and try and cultivate this as quickly as possible. So right now it's about 2:40 in the afternoon on day 1, and let's drop that bad boy and see how fast we can do this. look at that. Claire seems to be really fond of me, and I have completed my task. Work done. You may keep the plow, but you can still talk to Claire. See if she can teach you something. Okay. We got 500 social points, and we got the plow, which is kind of nice. I guess we'll go talk to her real quick and see maybe there's something else she can teach us. Clara, there you are. Kind of green. Yeah. Okay, she wants to. Oh, that's cool. Nice. All right, well, she's good information. All right, well, cool. So we're just gonna move on. Now I need. There's a guy over here, and these guys tend to move around, and I guess he's gone now. But I'm gonna. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go over here and snake some apples before I leave because I mean, dude, you just can't pass this up. And they don't seem to care if I take all the apples, so I will take all the apples I can get. How come? Oh, okay, there. Just gotta go around and pick them up. This might be a quick way to make some money to help me. Or it also can provide me food, which I need, and I'm not having to pay somebody a bunch of money for food. So that's nice too. Let's see. Let's see. All these apples. Ran out of trees. Check this guy out. Boom. There's a lot of apples. That's pretty convenient. Oops. Hey. I missed a tree. Did I get everybody? I think I got all the apples out of that one. This one I didn't get. Holy cow. I mean, this is awesome. I think that I have an apple orchard over on my farm, and I think if there's apples growing here, there's probably apples growing there. So let's head over there. Let's grab our tractor. In order to meet our goal of, I'd like to see if I can hit $100,000 and this is playing in euros, I think, but to hit 100,000 euros in my first 30 days, that's going to be a massive undertaking. That means I'm going to have to get really creative in where I come up with money and how I spend money. Okay. So what do I got here? This guy wants something from me. It's my home. Oh, wait. Oh, dude. Where'd that guy go? Oh, man. You know what? I bet you it'd be faster if I just walk. Save myself some money. I'm going to run back over here because it says that there's a job over here for me to fix a building. So I'm going to run back over here. It's still early enough in the day I can probably get this job in. Let's see if we can find this guy. Is that him? I'm getting a little hungry. Hey, what's up, Tony? Hello there. Aren't you proper? I'm looking for work. Well, I think you gotta get off your ass and fix it. Ooh, there's good money in that. Did you see that? That was huge money. Holy crap, I'm gonna fix that building. Ooh, wow. Well, let's see how fast I can fix it. Fortunate enough, he brought all his own supplies. Or he provided them, so I don't have to. Nice. Wish I could fix my house this quick. Let's see. Boom. Staple up a door. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, so we gotta fix that. Uh-oh. Creepy chick who hits on people. Oh, let's see, that one's fine. Let's fix that one. Fair amount of work that has to be done here. I wonder how much of this I can fix from ground level. I could probably fix most of it from inside and not have to break out scaffolding, though. That should be great. Don't want the scaffolding. Okay, so this, fix this. Man. Okay. Clara seems to like me. Did you see the smiley face? She's a stalker. Okay, let's fix the door. Fix the door. Fix that door. See how much we can get done in day one. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's go back up. Let's go upstairs. Wonder how much money I'm going to get for this work. You gonna open the door? Oh. I kept hitting the mouse button. Alright, what do I got to do here? What a bunch of work. Okay. Start here. One more. That's easy enough. Now this is the parts that get time consuming because you have to sit there and it takes 4 swings. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. One more. Yep. I think if he pays really well, I could probably, and here's where it gets tricky, is I can buy supplies, but I can't buy a lot of supplies, and it requires me to run back and forth. But I want to really fix up that hen house so that I can start getting eggs immediately. And then I'll finish fixing. So if you think about it, if you can get all your hens, or you can get at least a hen and a rooster, then every few days, I don't know how many days it goes by, but you'll get a new hen. You know, if you don't collect the eggs. And so you could technically get away pretty cheap. So our goal is $100,000 in 30 days. Or 100,000 euros. See what else? Ooh, over here. Cruising along. Man, these carpenter skills really come in handy. It's not the fastest thing, but what are you going to do? Gotta make money. It's either this or, sell them a butt on the corner, and not a lot of prostituting going on out here in the farmland, so. But I think it said like $1,500. See what it said. See, where's my map? Oh, it's not showing me. Okay, it doesn't show me how much he was going to pay me. But I could have swore maybe it was wishful thinking. I don't know. But for $1,500, in this game, considering our goal, I'd do a lot. Ooh. Fix that one. Fix that one. Okay. We're cruising along here. I think he's got a lot more than $1,500 worth of damage here. I think I'm getting taken for. Yeah, I think he's taking me for a ride. Okay, so almost got everything fixed. Okay. There we go. Did I miss something? I think I did. I must have missed something. Let's go back downstairs. Oh, I did. See it right there? Yep. It's alright. Boom, all done. Check the map for updates. Or close the door and walk 67 meters that way. Or we could run. Dude, nice house. I mean, it's done some good work on that. Oh, cool. All right. Well, so he says, $1,520 and 3,000 social points. Cha-ching. That's what I needed. What time is it? Okay, so I'm getting tired, but I think. Let's see. I've gotten some apples. I'm gonna eat some apples. It's 6 o'clock, and I'm thinking I can repair. Oh man. Okay, so is this guy? Oh wait, I do have a pickup truck. Well, I had to show up to the farm in something, right? Completely spaced. I forgot I had a pickup truck. Like running around on my bare feet. Let's see. If it looks like I'm acting like I'm in a hurry, in a way, I'm just trying to get as much accomplished in this first day as possible. And yes, I have an entire grove of apples, so that's going to be awesome. That's beautiful. And I'll clean those up in the morning. Time is still on my side. I just need to try and I want to fix the hen house as quickly as possible. It doesn't have to be polished. Where's the truck? Oh, there it is. Like my beater? Check that out. Nice. So what we're going to do is, this is a little time consuming. Well, I guess this guy wants to meet me. There goes another freaking deer. Okay. Nails, soup, food, drugs. I could use a fix. Just a little bit of everything, All right. He sounds like he's like on drugs. Okay, so did I get anything for that? 200 social points. I will take it. Ah! Oh wait, whoa, what's this? What's up, dude? All right, he just looking at me. There's a dog. All right, so we're gonna run over here. I don't know if I've got enough to pull this off, but we're gonna try it. So I'm gonna run over here and get the material that I need to attempt to fix the hen house. It's not going to be cheap, but I should be able to fix the hen house and then get my hens maybe tomorrow. So let's see. The day is almost over. What time is it? Oh, 6:30, so I gotta hurry. So this is where we can get some supplies. And wood planks are 100 units or $167. So what I can do is I'm gonna buy 2 of them. That was expensive. Yeah, we'll start with 2. Now here's the kicker, because I don't have the right vehicle. What I have to do is I pick up the planks. Now I have 100 of them in my hand. Now I gotta run all the way over to my farm. So I'm gonna hot tail it across this guy's field. All children of corn like. And hopefully I don't. Okay, yeah. As long as you don't like drive through the fields, I don't think it costs you social points. But the cool thing is I can fast travel back to my truck, which is sitting there. And I'm really just want to see how much money I can make in a month. This is my 30-day challenge. And it probably takes me like, I don't know, 15 minutes in game time, but all I need to do is repair. I don't necessarily need to restore, although you can get better eggs. And if I could do that and I could go get the chickens, I might be able to have hens in my hen house day 1. That would be so cool, because then I get eggs starting tomorrow. All right, let's just fix all the holes. Hey, that's pretty nice. I like it. Oh, okay, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, so gotta make sure it all take care of the building. Oh, no. Let's go ahead and we gotta fix the fence too. Yeah, Grandpa didn't do me any favors. Let's see. Oops. Now, you don't have to replace everything. I mean, you can if you want to. You just need to repair things. At least initially. You can come back and replace things all you want later. So, let's see. Okay, fix that. I have to go inside and fix the... Okay, I fixed the window. Running out of daylight here. Okay, don't have to fix that. I do need to fix that. Okay, now I need to go inside, I believe. Oop, let's go inside. We gotta fix the chicken coops and the roof. Oh man, I don't know how much wood I got left. Let's see. 'Cause I wanted to buy the chickens. Buying the chickens is good money right out the gate. So fixing this is important. Come on. There we go. Almost there. Don't make me run out of wood yet. I'm going to be so upset if I run out of wood before I finish fixing this. No! Freaking A! Now I got to fast travel back to my truck and pick up. I got one more stack of wood. And see, you can't get in your vehicle because once you put this away, it goes away. I've tried this where I try to get in my vehicle and, man, I'm not going to make it. What time is it? I might make it. We'll see. This is ultimate challenge right here. Can I get chickens in one day? It was so close. I don't know how much the chickens cost, but that is instant income. And I'm getting tired too, so I don't know how well I'm gonna hold up. Let's see. Oh, he's not dead. I thought the dog was dead. Like, geez, man, I didn't pet you. And this, dude, give me a gun. I'll eat for weeks. We just shoot. Look, he's going in. He's on my property. You know, it's coming right at me. All right, so I have to finish this. I'll fix these. And this isn't finished by any stretch, but I'm thinking I'm pretty darn close. Alright, that one was broken. I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Oh, and I got to fix... Oh, my goodness. And I got to fix this, because I think that's broken. Hey, you have fixed your henhouse. Congratulations. Your neighbors appreciate your work. 3,000 social points. Very cool. Very awesome. All right. Now, we're going to go jump back in our truck the quick way. Just jump in there. Now, these boards will stay there unless I use them all or I sell them. It's just kind of weird. All right, so now I've got to go down to the ag store. And if I go down to the agricultural store, I'm going to get... Oops, turn on my headlights. I'm going to head over to the ag store right now before it gets too late. Oh, according to this, it says I still got wood planks on me. Interesting. I wonder if I did all that running for nothing. I thought I tested that. But it's 8 o'clock. And my goal is to have eggs. I want eggs in the morning. So we're gonna go all the way down here to the ag store. The good news is we can cut through our farm to get to it. But I am getting tired, and they say the more tired you get, there's my tractor. The more tired you get, the more apt you are to make mistakes. So I don't think I'm going to make any mistakes unless I'm about to run into some. But it's coming up here right on the right. We're hauling. We're doing like 60 miles an hour into the parking lot. Let's see if they're still open. Hey, nice. It's a 24-hour market. Nice. Oh, no, it's not. How come? Oh, come on. Oh, that sucks. I wonder if it's so it should be flagging me for the market. All right. I think I've done everything I can do for one day, but we're going to home sweet home. Oh, complete repairs on your farm for 20,000. Oh, I can jump over to here. Well, that's a bummer. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna stop fast traveling because kind of takes away from some of the interest of the game. Man, they had already closed. Wasn't able to get everything fixed in time. So a couple nice fields over there. Look at my truck's hovering. It is. It looks like it's hovering. It's like I got a speeder. Well, it wasn't that far from the house, so it's not that big a deal. But this house is going to be kind of creepy to sleep in first night. Man. Bummer, bummer. It was so close. I wonder if I could do any more work before I get so tired that I pass out. I mean, this house is just like scary, creepy. Well, I guess we'll find out. I'm not really hungry, but I am tired. We finished the day with 17,840 social points and $1,704. It's not too bad. We got our house building shot. But let's go. Nice, scary, scary house. Look at the holes in the floor. I want to see if... Oh, I'm so silly. I could have taken my car. Well, live and learn. I didn't know that. But that being said, it's nighttime. It's time to go to bed. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the big red button. Give us a subscription or support us. And then hit that like button. And be sure to hit the bell. See, I'm so tired now that I can't even say that right. But next time we'll come back and we'll do another day in Farmers Dynasty. Cool. All right, y'all. See you later.